All right, everybody, it's November 3rd. Here's a construction video. So we have lights going in. Our demolition is 85% complete. We are cutting the utilities that go to the restroom. We're going to redo these completely and hauling out materials. Now, at the same time, we've cleaned all of the doors. The guys are starting to come over here to start cleaning up the overhead doors, but on the north end of the building, our overhead doors have all been cleaned. We've cleaned up our mess. We'll start letting the painter come in at their disposal. And we'll start painting. And as soon as this painting is done, you can see down there at our restroom, that restroom is going to get refurbished. The walls are pretty bad, so we're just going to go ahead and take it down and redo it. But you can tell that all of our doors really cleaned up and are ready to take paint. They were in pretty rough shape. Other than that, that's what we look like on the 3rd. It's going to look a lot different at the end of the week. We'll have our lights finished. We'll have 99% of the demolition complete. Our drawings are being constructed with our architect, and we'll start the MEP stuff. Talk to y'all then.